What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this addition and remodel job. I am in the basement currently. You get over here where I have a little more head height, but we've been here for about 2 hours now. It's about 10 o'clock. We just finished breakfast. We have our new plate down. This is all the concrete that we poured yesterday, and we have a little plate here. So we got sill seal underneath it, and now we have to mark all of our studs and then get them cut and fill this in. We're going to be sheetrocking the inside and door rocking the outside. The door rock's going to get coated with something. I'm not exactly sure what. I'd have to talk to my father about that, but all we're doing today is putting the door rock on, getting it sheetrocked, and pretty much getting this side done. We do have to move to this side over here eventually, but the rest of our crew is on a new addition job today, so it's just me and Rodrigo here. But this whole side is getting knocked out, the same thing that we did over here. So quite a project we got on our hands, but I'm gonna set a camera up and we're getting to work.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so we got all the studs in, new plate. We left a little opening here for that window that we got. We got a double here to support it, and all the way across here. So we're pretty much done with framing now. We just gotta figure out this window. It should fit in here almost perfect, so we might have to put a little bit of a shim on the bottom or something, but we haven't even tried. So we're about to take a lunch break and then get to that, and then we are going to put door rock on the outside. I spoke to my father. We're not putting sheetrock on the inside yet, or insulation, so that'll be at a later date. So pretty much all we got left is getting this window in and then putting door rock everywhere on the outside. All right, let's see if this window fits in this opening. Oh, plenty of room. Plenty of room, Rodrigo. too heavy for you.
Oh, well.
Concrete.
Hold on, this could be do. Pa.
That down. Hey, I'm stuck.
Wait, tú estás muy gordo.
Alright, you go to the bottom.
Es que el mío está muy gordo.
Tú te vas a la bottom. Okay. Más or no? You need to go to the right a little bit, I think. There's a gap. Más. Look, come look here. Look at the gap.
Oh,
You want me to move it and you tell me it's bueno or not?
you need to push tight the wall.
A la derecha.
At the wall, yeah. Oh, buenísimo.
Is that good?
No. Maybe we need to put 116 more. Let me see the cap arriba.
Go.
Cuidado, eso es muy pesado.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, 116. Oh,
Why don't you go up? You go up.
no, I need to check it out how I'm going to put it. The screws.
Yep, you go up. You ready? That's it? Oh, that felt good. Alright.
No, too much.
Too much?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
¿Qué quiere?
Que te come el tigre. But this is smooth. Que te come el tigre. Que te come el tigre. Que te come el tigre.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done just getting cleaned up, but we got all the durock on the outside. We have this window in. It's just temporary right now. That has to get adjusted a little bit. But durock all the way across. We left the outside form on for now. The inside one we took off. I'll show you real quick. This ended up coming out pretty nice. Now, all framed with pressure treated lumber, durock on the outside. Obviously these gaps will have to get filled and stuff, but this will all get insulated as well. And then I think they're gonna sheetrock down to the concrete at some point. But it ended up coming out very nice, and it was a nice easy day today getting this done. It wasn't too bad. Got the staircase set back in, and we are pretty much done. We're gonna finish packing the van and get out of here, but I think that is gonna wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.